Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. I'm Anita Gupta and today we will learn how to recycle the empty acrylic bottles into this aesthetic looking beautiful decor pieces. They can be used as pen holder or they can be used to keep our small items or they can be used like this decor piece with the artificial flowers. So it's up to you and your creativity how you want to use them, but I will teach you how to do the makeover and you will enjoy the process, guys. Once these acrylic bottles are empty, we think what is the use of them, but here is the hack. You can use them as a decor piece and we can protect our environment from extra waste. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, we have to remove the sticker, guys. So, for that, what you have to do is dip these bottles in lukewarm water at least for 2 hours. Once they are dipped for 2 hours, then we have to just remove the sticker and the residue that is left. So, it's almost 2 hours now. Like this, gently we need to remove the sticker. This process is very therapeutic, guys, to remove the sticker. So gently remove it, but the residue that is left after it is a torture. So for that we are going to use this thinner. This is a 1 liter bottle and it comes very cheap, so it is best to use. So I'm just taking little thinner and applying it on the residue and gently making circles to remove the waste, and the residue will be vanishing just like magic without much efforts. So this is the hack that you can use to clean your bottles and turn them into aesthetic decor pieces like this. So first I have taken white acrylic color and now I am adding light pink color. It is little darker in shade and I wanted a little extra lighter pink, so I have added white to it. I want some little bit of pastel type of pinks. I love that color, so I'm just mixing it thoroughly. Once it's mixed, then we will apply it to our bottle. So like this, we have to gently apply it to the base coat of our bottle. Isn't it looking pretty, guys? I love this color. It's so beautiful. So like this, you have to paint the full base coat with pink color and let it dry for 2 hours. Not 2 hours, but at least by the time that acrylic color dries, it depends on the weather conditions. So I have applied double coat of light pink. Now I am using teal blue and I have added a little bit of white to it. And I'm applying the base coat. Guys, this process is so therapeutic and calming. I can't tell you. Until and unless you don't experience it, you can't feel the actual feeling of doing this art. Now I'm applying the second coat. Once the first coat is dried, it's here seen like I'm continuously doing the work, but it's not like that. I have painted the base coat and then let them dry, and after that only I'm applying the second coat. So be careful not to apply on wet coats. Let them dry thoroughly. Like this, we need to apply at least 2 coats to give the acrylic a little bit of strength so that it doesn't peel off easily. Now wash your brush. Washing the brush and see the magic of washing the brush. It looks like some drink is ready. Now I have applied some beige color to this bottle. Same way we have to apply 2 coats. Okay, with the brush I am applying some white polka dots to this bottle. This is so simple but so aesthetic, guys. Just place the polka dots all around the bottle and don't forget to enjoy the process. I always stress on the fact that we should enjoy the process. Now I'm placing hearts. That's very easy. First you have to give 1 stroke horizontal and 1 stroke vertical, tilted, and your hearts will be ready. The color combination of white and pink is so nice. I just love this. Guys, you can choose colors of your choice. I'm just giving you the ideas how you can make patterns and cover your bottle, but you can use your imagination to decorate these bottles. It's all up to you. Now I am using simple flowers and that I am placing with the help of a toothpick. Okay, these are the threads that I will be using to cover the top portion of this bottles. I have stick them with glue. Ta-da! Our beautiful art pieces are ready. So are you going to try it, guys? We need to protect the environment. We need to make decor pieces for our houses, and we need to save some money. You can gift it to someone who loves miniature gifts because it's very cute, guys. If you recreate this bottles, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone, and also tag us on your stories. We will be happy to share it on our stories in Instagram. Until then, at you all. Bye bye. Thank you.